So here's the backyard, and it wasn't this bad when Frankie was here. Two of these trees, the top broke off. These Chinese elms, they were crazy broke on pieces, broken everywhere. Through here, where I normally mow grass, there's just nothing here. Okay, that's the easy part. This part here, crazy. I gotta get up on the roof and see what that looks like. But I got these. I asked these guys if they could help me. I could hire them for the day. And they said, we're not for hire. We're a church group. We'll help you out for free. And I'm like, oh my God, really? How nice.